Iranian state media reported Monday that Iranian President Ibrahim Raisi and other top officials died in a helicopter crash in the country's northwest. The helicopter crashed on Sunday in bad weather in Iran's East Azerbaijan province. Search crews found the wreckage Monday. Iranian Foreign Minister Hossein Amir Abdullahian was also among those killed. The Iranian officials were returning to Iran after attending the opening of a joint dam project at the Iran-Azerbaijan border. Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, announced 5 days of mourning. He appointed Vice President Mohammad Mokhber as acting president. Mokhber then named Deputy Foreign Minister Ali Bagheri Khani as Foreign Minister caretaker, a cabinet official said. An election for a new president is set to take place in the next 50 days. Raisi was 63 years old. He was elected president in 2021. Most of his main opponents were barred from running in the election, which had record-low turnout among voters. Raisi, an ultra-conservative, had strong support from Khamenei. On Sunday, Iranian state television showed video of government supporters gathering in different parts of the country to pray for Raisi's safe return. Images published on social media Sunday showed opponents of Iran's Islamist rulers setting off fireworks in several places to celebrate the possibility of Raisi's death. VOA's Persian service examined the images and said they are credible or real, but it could not independently confirm the reasons for the fireworks. VOA is barred from reporting inside Iran. In one video, a woman identifies the location of fireworks as southern Tehran. In another video, a man reacts to what he says are fireworks in the city of Saqqez in northwestern Iran's Kurdistan province. Governments around the world reacted to the news of Raisi's death. Pakistan, Lebanon, Iraq, and other nations announced a period of mourning. Azerbaijan's President Ilham Aliyev said Monday that he was deeply shocked by the heavy loss. Russian President Vladimir Putin praised Raisi as an outstanding politician. He called him a true friend of Russia. Egyptian President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi expressed Egypt's solidarity with the leadership and people of Iran in this great loss. Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi said he was shocked by the development. He added that India stands with Iran in this time of sorrow. European Council President Charles Michel said the European Union expresses its sincere condolences. Our thoughts go to the families, Michel said. I'm Ashley Thompson.